the title of today, as Paula said, the title of today's presentation is What's Holding You Back from Growing Your Law Firm? And this is a subject that I'm very passionate about. So as Paula said, my name is Jeremy Streten, and I'm a lawyer, and I'm also a coach. It's something that I've been doing for a number of years. I've been a lawyer for well over 20 years now. And I've been a business coach for about 6 or 7 years. And I got into that because I run a very good law firm, and I had a business coach who helped me throughout that journey. And so I wanted to help other people and help other lawyers. So what I've done, as Paula said, I've niched my law firm into acting for property owners, doing high-end transactions, and also resumption work up here in Queensland. So just really focused on those niche clients and providing a really good service for them. Customer service, as Paula said in the intro, is probably our biggest focus because we know that if we provide great customer service, then we can really help our clients. Because at the end of the day, here's probably the biggest secret in law. People expect the same thing from every law firm. Every law firm is the same from how we do what we do. It's how people experience us that is the difference. So in my work that I do, I coach over 30 different businesses in a mastermind. And I also coach lawyers in running their businesses as well. I'm really about helping people to understand their business and understand where they're going in their business so that they can really differentiate themselves in the market. Because as I said, there's too much out there of the same old, and we want to do that differently. So today I'm going to talk about that and really give you some strategies around how you can do that better. So let's start out with this quote that I love from a gentleman. He's a business coach. He's Canadian. And his quote that I really love is that your number one strength will be your Achilles heel to growing your business. So what does that mean? That means